Bueno, esto lo edito yo. Good morning, we are team number 7 and we are going to present the stage 3 cyclic programming instructors. This is the learning evidence and this is our digital presentation, and my team is Ana Paula, Montserrat, and Regina.
Okay, the body system that we got is the muscular system. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are about 700 named muscles attached to the bones and make up roughly half of a person's body weight. Each of these muscles is a discrete organ constructed of skeletal muscle, tissue, blood vessels, tendons, and nerves. And we'll begin with the faces. Okay, in phase 1, we talk about the condition that we're going to treat in the muscular system. It's a turn muscle, and what our robot is going to do is give physical muscular therapy to the turn muscle, accelerating the healing process in some way.
Well, the phase number 2 is what a robot, the analysis of the problem, and a robot will message the injury, the turn muscle, give physical therapy exercise, accelerating the healing by increasing cellular metabolism and lymphatic drainage. Here is an image of the track we expect the robot will do, and Uh, phase number 3, well, is the algorithm, and here is the pictures of the scenes and the flowcharts.
Okay, so the phase 4 is coding, and here are images of the code we did in Logic. Here we can see that it has DC motor, delays, and loops.
Phase number 5 is the errors we had. So here we paste the 3 links with the videos and the 3 codes that were not good.
In the phase 6, we have the track of the robot in a link of the video. And the phase 7, it's the robot's route will not be the same in the body of a small person than in the body of a tall person.
Okay, so the phase 8 is documentation, and we did a user manual and a little bit. For example, the patient will start the robot, verify if it's complete and with batteries and medicines, indicate the zone of pain and what type of muscle turn it has. The robot will travel around its body, and when finishing applying medicines, it will notify and shut down. After this, you need to take the robot to charge again and sanitize it. And here we do a little document of the explanation of the purpose of the robots, its data, and its flow explanation.
Okay, my conclusion is that during this stage, I have learned much more about how to program and about the muscular system of the human body, thanks to the activities of this stage. While preparing the poster, I was able to better understand the muscular system, its functions, how it can help in some diseases, and etc. And in the end, we were able to make a circuit so that the robot could help us improve or reduce pain in the problem we choose. Personally, the programming and doing algorithm was quite difficult since I'm not very good at programming and I get quite confused. But at the end, we agreed so that everyone could do an activity in which they are good.
Okay, during this stage, I learned the importance of the muscular system in our body and how technology is able to help us when a system gets injured. I also retake some programming concept of project, and also I retake the programming stage in order to accomplish the task of programming the robot. And I also learned how to better understand the use of loop. With every robot mistake, I learn more about coding and how to fix these mistakes so they don't happen again. And also during this stage, I learned more about the muscular system, its parts, some injuries. Also, I learned how to work effectively in teamwork in order to accomplish the task required.
In this stage, I learned way more about the muscular system, which is the one that we got. In this stage, my team and I organized our time and when we were going to do our activities to turn them in time. We learned how to use loop and well. We made designs and robotics. I think that we also learned how to control the robot way better than the last stage. And it was also quite stressing because I think we needed a little bit more of time and we had some doubts on certain things. But in this stage, I also learned how to program better, and I think that's all.
Well, in this stage, we developed our skills in making designs and projects because they were more complex and complete than in the previous stages. I also learned some treatments that can be applied to muscular system diseases. However, we wanted to focus in turn muscles since this happens very frequently to athletes, and we wanted to have a creative way to help the injury heal way more faster than normal. We also learned how to make our flowcharts and codes less repetitive using the while and loop functions. And finally, I think maybe it was a little bit stressful because we couldn't make the robot do what we wanted at first, but at the end we made it.
Thank you for your attention.